What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. Wait. Kinda too close to the camera and I don't know a thing setting up. Why up? Wrong bang. That's a wrong bang, dog. But anyways, see what there. That's the thing there. Anyways, it's about Tyrekevlogs and we're here with another reaction video. You see me I say? Now this is the Mavado Truest Thoughts. Like a music video drop from last year. You know how long that? You know how long last year be? You know how long? From last year we put a music video from Mavado and a star. You see me? I'm dropped that one named Truest Thoughts. We don't know what to expect. For one, I see Black and DJ Truest. Anyways, people, we're on the road to 10 million subscribers, so please subscribe to the channel and touch the bell and subscribe and like the video before watching. Thank you. Let's get straight to the most lit reaction. After you watch my reaction, you see me? Now I start. Got you now. Boy, just start. Yeah.
Them a walk with a load lock.
Yeah.
So them a see man in a boat box.
Alright, then I have to set the mood for that video. You know, so my energy kind of different, you know, dog. You see me? My energy up there, I'm energy for the, you know? The high energy song them. So when I give them some med thing, so I'm over the pan. You see me? Alright, relax yourself, Tyre. Can go through and listen and analyze. Ready.
I wanna see through life like never before. Well, heap of people, what they say them and my brother, them no brother no more.
Well, on there. When they hear certain lines, they have to meditate on that who am I talking, you know? No, who alkaline, who, me I call alkaline, who my father stop parried now? Who am I talking now? I have to think about it hard, you know. Who him cut off? Anyways, got through. I made the word them lyrics. Sorry if I go pause the video. People, if you want to watch the full video, Mavado channel. Listen me, I say, Gully God. When I remember name, listen me, I say, but search up Mavado, it all come up. Oh no, got you.
I wanna see through life like never before. Them want love you when you're down and you're out and you're deep on the floor.
Yeah.
Hey, I come and
I true enough. Hold on, that's a fact, you know. People only did it. Love you and miss you when they're done and they're on the floor. When they're dead, basically, when you pass away, people really say, oh, me did love him, we care about you. And when you're alive, then I show enough for him, I love him, not for him or nothing. You see me, I say, trust me, yo, go through though.
I wouldn't go across the road to support you. Them travel miles to bury you.
Yeah.
Me carry ya everywhere me go. The money go. They fuck up all the wall of them. Change up when them see the money color them. The loyalty and the struggle now all again. Come my act brand new.
Facts must speak this. You see me, I say. I'm sure people start change up when them start get money and them something there. Me, right now, when I'm there Jamaican, I'm there for every day I say this, you know. Yo, I stop saying it, you know, because it's like me, you know, I don't know hype thing. But anyways, me I say, yo, me there me make a little money. Me not make no bag of money. Anyways, but I say, yo, me not forget no my yard friend them. I say, no, I'm a friend of my yard. Me not forget them. I might not talk to them every day now and then, you see me I say. But when I reach a yard, I go back a yard. I have to go back with something for the man them, you see me I say. People just get rich and switch. That basically I'm asking. People get rich and switch. I can't do that. Got you.
If one shot, one show. Last them as friends and gain them as enemy. If you're not eat from your table, you don't want to see the best of me.
Yeah.
When we did I grow up as youth, people think we are family.
A little childhood friend there. That means it's a little true story over that talking there video and a childhood story there. You know? Because I'm not lying. I'm used to have this bridging, you know, dog. My name man there. Enough little bridging me used to have and check it out, you know. Enough little bridging, you do everything together, that. Not everything, you know what I mean? So we do all the things together. We just close. We got somewhere, yeah. Yo, we go there, so now you're forward. Yeah, you see me? And then it's like, just grow tight, dog. Them man, they not pro me a pre. Them man, they gone turn. What them call them in Jamaica? I don't say nobody a cruff or whatever, but that's the word. You see me? I say, I don't say them man a cruff though, but I don't know how me attack. I'm just showing you. People do all the things with that. General Star. I have to medicine and listen to some songs sometime, and I got you.
No things and time change, them heart and mind change.
Yeah.
I wanna see to life like never before. Only for people we have tell us that them love you, them don't love you no more. Boy,
True.
I wanna
True. Facts. And me and the point are different. Me and the point as what him a show you still. So the point as a girl. You know how much girl tell man say them love them that. Me know it matter nothing about girl is far from the topic. Me say showing dog. Something just burn me sometimes I think about it. You know how much girl yo, I love you and I re. What go on now? What me now? Cause I show now. Facts him a chat man.
see to life like never before. Them won't love you when you're down on your own. Them won't love you when you're up on the floor. When them can't see you no more.
See there?
Them
I show you the storyline too. Man I come visit the grave. And thing, brother, and I go on like say, yeah, me had the day one charge. You see me? I say, I show you everything what go on musically, you know. I facts him and talking in the music video, man, and I sang it too. And as usual, I'm not sure if the song has been out already, people. You don't know I saw the thing say, but Mr. Showing you. That's straight facts him and talking in that video, dog. Me I feel it. Me I meds it, dog.
I know that's why. Turn up the thing and them start see you switch. Want kill you now, them no want see you rich.
Hold on, go back.
Up on the floor. When them
More you must say good enough.
can't see you no more.
Yeah.
Them cry,
Yeah.
the poor. I know that's why.
Yeah.
Turn up the thing and them start see you switch.
You see me? Right now, my day, I put in my work, you know. So I'm glad I put in the work and I still share my link them to one of my friends who used to share it from back then. I say, yo, watch my video, share my video. You have a few of them who do it, you know. You have a few of them who don't do it, you know. And then you have a few of them who watch my video and a few of them who don't watch it, you know. But me no really, it don't really matter. You see me, I say, I know my senator and I not forget say, boy, you see me, I say, so you can go and support me until me make it a member, boy, you see me? But I show you, say, yo, when things start work, when I put in the work and your things start work for you now, I can say this in them song, you know, when them see a thing at work and blah, blah, blah. But I'm sure so when it start testing out different for you, now, everybody starts to see a switch. Nobody can say that about me, because I'm not switch. Nobody can say that about me all now either, because I'm not switch. Same Tyrekejt, but got you.
Want kill you now, them no want see you rich.
See that?
Some a fuck up and I say life is a bitch. Ready life when you are coming. And alone can't stop my life, none of them can get me out. Shy kill me goodie and them a night, and them could and never make me out. Put me foot on the pedal.
Alone fact, Mavado talking and thing. You know how pause video them already. You understand? We don't want to get the copyright thing, you see me? Let's find someone put. We soon get that thing a professional setup, you know. Right now, it does a little meds thing. You see me? So watch it. The funny beds thing. But anyways, got you.
So none of them can walk over me. And as far as me eyes can see, me a walk over all enemy.
Yeah.
Me tell me mama no worry. Me a do the right thing. I woulda never let her down. No, daddy not around. Them a say me can't.
Nah, lie though. Who miss Mavado voice like the Gully God voice? Just the voice overall make you mess. Man have a different flow, have a different melody, have a voice, everything like everybody else, you know, every other artist. It just unique. Me kind of miss it. He mean if you drop more songs, you know some reach levels where him not release no more songs still. You know what I mean? Cause him make money, see me. He reach a level there, so maybe that's why like every month he put out something. I'm not sure, no? But I rate the movement still. I like the voice. Just must miss the voice, the flow of Mavado. You see me? I say the Gully God voice.
So I wanna see to life like. I wanna see to life like never before. Only for people, I tell you, so them love you.
Don't
Them
love
love
you,
you no more.
So you don't know, say I my time now for me give me a little 2 cents on the song and the music video and what I go on so far. So basically what I get from the video is that basically Mavado him now. He might sing a singer from him art, you see me I say. He might sing from previous experience, you see me I say. That me I get from the video, you see me. It's and next thing to the song, people can relate to it, yo. Cause me I relate to it. Me like say every little music video where certain artists, me I put it out there, certain artists do. You can just relate to a past childhood experience where you have or something, yo. Me nah like that me I get from that music video for real. But not real, man. You see me? Video done as you can see, I'm gonna go through and see one. Video done doing as you see. You see me? Yeah man, video done. Shout out to everybody who behind the works, put in the work for the video though. You see me? Who make this possible? You see me? I say big up on yourself. DJ First big up yourself, directed by RDs too. Big up on yourself. People, remember, subscribe to the channel, like the video, we are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. Latest reaction them. But that's thing is a different message. You see me? I say, yeah. Peace out.